Oh, there we go. All right, man. That's not what I'm looking for. Come on. I usually don't catch flounder on these. Nah, a little flounder. Little baby. Let go. No, don't tear it up. Look at you. Oh, never mind. There we go. That's a good one. You fought pretty good. Small. Okay. I don't like it when it takes me that long to get you on a hook. Oh. Might be the first little guy of the day. Nice. You're a good little one, huh? You're in the nostril. Face shot. You got it. Thank you. That is what I need to throw at. Without counting an awful lot on this guy running to the left. Oh my gosh, thank God you got her on that pole. Come here. I was counting an awful lot on you running to the left, buddy. That was brave. Saw you hit that bait over there and I was all like, well, there you go. Alright, thanks for the fight. That was a good little fight. Maybe there'd be some reds over here. Okay. There had to be some reds over here. All right, man. Good one. Good fight, buddy. There we go. I figured they'd be around here somewhere. Gee, baby. Yep. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, it's good now. Oh, it's a flounder, 15-inch. Oh, I think that might be good, man. Let me get a picture of this little dude. All right, buddy, go on. Let's check this flounder out. Here. All right, let's check this guy out. Ah, there we go. Dude, he looks good, man. All right, we're gonna have to take him out because he's pretty close. Grab my pole. Well, I'll get him unhooked and then I'll just hold on to the net and I'll put him on my fish grips so we won't lose him. This one, just to make sure we don't need to be keeping any undersized guys.
No. He's pretty cool.
It's chin right there. Dude, that is 15 inches. Look at that, 15 and a half. His chin is right at the end of that yardstick. Yeah, you got him, man. There you go. Good deal, man. Let's go ahead and throw him in the clear. Well, you want a picture of him first?
Sure.
Or, yeah. Let's see, how can we... Should be pretty good. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right, good deal, man.